Hello, I'm Jane Hutt. I'm the Labour Assembly Member for the Vale of Glamorgan. And in fact, I've been the Assembly Member for the last 12 years since the Assembly came into being. And I do represent a fantastic constituency, the Vale of Glamorgan. It stretches right across from the east in Dinas Powys, across to Ewenny, Ogmore by Sea, north to Cowbridge. And I live in the heart, if you like, of my constituency, Barry, but also, of course, we have Llantwit Major, St Athan and the rural Vale. So it's a lovely constituency to represent, serve and to live in as well with my family. So I have been involved in politics for many years. I was actually a county councillor for the former South Glamorgan County Council in the 80s and early 90s. At that time, I represented Riverside in the heart of Cardiff. And I did very strongly believe in devolution, worked hard for the referendum in '97 and put myself forward for selection to a constituency through the Labour Party, and was very fortunate to be selected and then elected in the Vale of Glamorgan. I'm really a constituency member who believes very strongly that we have to represent all the people across the whole constituency. And that does mean holding regular surgeries, but being open and accessible, working, if you like, as hard as you can, 7 days a week, being on the doorstep, proving that devolution works, proving that the everyday things that affect people's lives, particularly health, housing, education, all mean a lot. And of course, we're responsible for them in the Assembly, but all mean a lot to people who need to see me and come to see me. Now, if you think of the Vale of Glamorgan and the heart, as I've said, of the constituency is Barry, I have a constituency office in Barry. It's at 115 High Street, and that's something you can find out more about on my website. I also have regular surgeries across the whole of the Vale of Glamorgan, from Dinas Powys across to Ewenny, St Bride's Major, Cowbridge, Llantwit Major, St Athan. It's very important that I meet people in every part of the Vale, but the fact that I have surgeries is well advertised every time I have one in the local press, but also on my website and also my Facebook. That perhaps is a new development for me, that I can communicate through this new social media and find it's very effective as well to find out what's going on and for people to know what I'm doing as well. It is very important as the constituency member that people can raise their issues with me. I do a huge amount of casework, but also I take up issues and campaigns. And if you like, two of the main campaigns that I have, I'll give you like objectives as the Vale of Glamorgan Assembly member, is the regeneration of Barry, the heart of my constituency, and to make sure that Barry, the largest town in Wales, has the full benefit of the regeneration status that I fought hard for and secured through the Welsh Government. So that's investment in Barry town and making sure that all programmes, and that includes everything from communities first right the way through to how we can progress all our policies in health, education, benefit and the environment, benefit Barry, but also very committed to the rural Vale, to prospects for St Athan. The rural Vale, of course, benefits from the Rural Development Plan, and that brings me closely in touch with Creative Rural Communities, which delivers, of course, that programme. I think finally, I think it's important to say that I have also been a minister for the last 12 years in many different portfolios, starting with health and social services, equalities, children, education, and of course now currently finance minister and leader of the House. So that does mean it's a hard work, a huge commitment to ensuring that the Welsh Government delivers for the people of Wales, and of course for me, delivers for the people of my constituency, the Vale of Glamorgan.
The National Assembly for Wales is the democratically elected body that represents the interests of Wales and its people, makes laws for Wales and holds the Welsh Government to account. For more information and to find out who represents you, go to assemblywales.org or follow us on Facebook and Twitter.